What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So now the 1UZ is inside the 240. We're gonna be starting the wiring soon, but today we just got some boxes in for my friends at Street Faction. So we hit them up and wanted to get some bash bars for both of our cars, and despite their long lead time, they were able to send them out super quick. So thank you to Matt and Tal for sending these out. We're gonna go ahead and unbox them. We also got an extra box in here. We're gonna open it to see what it is. It says care pack and goodies.
Care pack and goodies?
Yeah. Oh, they wrote us a letter. Blaine and Christine, thank you for supporting us over the years. We admire your passion and perseverance. We look forward to seeing your continued success. P.S. Matt designed and made these steering wheel mounts, and we thought it might come in handy for you too. Hopefully we can meet in person one day. Take care, Matt and Tal.
Hey, that's pretty dope. Thanks, guys.
Oh, what is this?
Steering wheel mounts, is that what you said?
Oh, this is probably what they're using, that 3D printer.
Yeah, see, those are for the walls.
Oh, that's cool. This is them. So this is what we ordered. This is a bash bar for my car.
With the front jack point as well.
Oh yeah, that's the one I wanted.
Yeah, so this is the same version that I ran on the Z.
It is.
But for the S14. And I believe I got the same thing but with a different variation for the front of my car.
Really?
But we'll show you guys right after Christine does this.
This is the original bash bar that we have on top of the car right now. We had to take it off because we needed more clearance for when we were putting the engine in, so it's all unbolted. We just have to pull it off the car. So it's just these two bolts right here.
Just lift it up.
This is the bash bar that we got for my 240. We got the option where it has the jack point, so this should come in handy. We're gonna go ahead and put this on the car. On my car, there's this tab over here that prevents the bash bar from going on, so I'm just gonna pound it in. Oops. So this is what my bash bar looks like on top of the car, and now Blaine's gonna unbox his.
Let's go. Okay guys, so I got the same thing, the front bash bar with the jack point, but I also got this upper bumper support to hold up the bumper because on the flip up lights, it's notorious for there to be bumper sag, so this pretty much eliminates that. fit.
Hi.
Only time you can lay down, take a picture. What's wrong with you?
Oh man. Okay guys, so I just wanted to show you guys a fitment on the fastback. So my initial concern was that it wasn't gonna fit with the intercooler, but look at how good this bash bar is designed. It like fits perfectly. It just hugs the intercooler and it clears everything. This looks like it's gonna be the perfect height for my bumper. So again guys, if you guys need anything from Street Faction, make sure you guys hit them up. They got good quality parts, as you guys can see. So we just want to give a big shout out to Matt and Tao and the whole gang over at Street Faction. Thank you guys again for getting these bash bars to us ahead of schedule. We really appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for everything that you guys are doing. You guys are very much an inspiration to me and Christine. Again, if you guys need anything from Street Faction, from bash bars to seat rails, anything like that, these guys are the people to hit up, alright? Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, and stay good.